Michelle Romano here with the Lee Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm so excited to show you our new listing located in Golden. The address is 804 Partridge Circle. This is a single family ranch style home, been completely remodeled and is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to show you around. Let's take a look. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is a little over 3,400 square feet. As you can see, it is absolutely stunning, and the views from the back deck don't get any better. So if you know anybody who's interested, please have them give me a call. Otherwise, we're going to have an open house this Saturday from 12 to 2. See you there.